pretty much lots of fun coming today. Okay, so the new car is just waiting there. (2016) Edge Sport 3.5 liter V6, 384 horsepower.
Smoke weed every day.
Esse vídeo vai dar milhões de visualizações. Oh, cara.
Bora, né?
Aí, ó, chegou.
This is insane. And here is our ride. Wow, dude, look how much Ferraris.
Hey, little mama, with that tight dress on, got a small proposition for you. You look kinda sexy, got it going on. Here's what I want you to do. Come a little closer, let me see that thong. Let me slide this number to you. You can catch me in the streets with my blue khakis on, and out your face smoking blunts with my friends. Hey, all my niggas do the gangsta walk. All my niggas do the gangsta walk. Hey, all my bitches do.
We have company. Edge Sport. Depois. And there we have some company. And right there as well. This dude, he went like straight up, burning his wheels, his tires around this corner. Look at that again. And then the event is just around there. And there's a camera right there. RS3, RS7. The Carrera GTS. Look at this bad boy. Wow, it looks like a freaking spaceship. So cool. Got these bracing seats and everything. Wow, dude. Carrera GTS. Look at this bad boy, RS7 with quad exhausts. And it has the sport exhaust as well. This event is so freaking cool for the cars. These are amazing cars. And then there is the RS3 as well, the brand new one. Look at this interior, guys. Mercedes. And then there's a Rari right there. Such an awesome event right here. Then there's the Porsche. Our car and a Camaro just behind it. And joined again by the Camaro. Squad goes. Now I'm going to do a little skate vlog for you. So let's go. I haven't ride skateboard in a very long time, but you know, this is just perfect. How it's labeled and everything. And let's be careful. Okay, and let's go, boys. Let's go. If you aren't subscribed yet to youtube.com/DrRadiation, make sure to be subscribed. Yeah, let's try and beat them. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Okay, now we have this scooter. Let's go. Oh my God, it's starting to shake a lot. I don't wanna die. Brake. Oh my God. Oh Jesus Christ. We almost died. Okay. Now we are riding the hoverboard. Way easier and less tiring than skateboard and scooter. Why? Because this is electric. No human power needed. Only skills. Let's try and go down this ramp. Car looks amazing. Okay, let's let's try and go down this little ramp without killing ourselves. And this is huge and pretty. Sky looks blue, absolutely no clouds except for right there, which is perfect. And there were like about 100 Ferraris in that little coffee shop, and it was pretty insane. Let's pass him. Hasta la vista, baby! Oh my god! We almost died. Poor hoverboard. Good thing I have this actually tape right here. If not, it would have killed. Look at this, there was a rock inside here. This was the best idea I've ever had. This tape protects the hoverboard. Okay. Hoverboard perfectly fine working, except that it hit my foot. That's okay. I'll have to clear out GoPro's memory card, because you know we only have about 5 minutes. But let's make an U-turn right here and let's go up, baby, like to call it. It's awesome, you know. Let's use our brakes here. You gotta be careful with the rocks, since it's a construction site. There are lots of little rocks and things that you can lose control. And we brought the RC as well. Let me switch over really fast to the skateboard, longboard, because it's way funner. Let's try not to kill ourselves. I have a question. Is it possible to blow up a skateboard wheel? That is my question for today. Is it possible to blow up a skateboard wheel? Okay, let's go easy and carefully right here. Ah! I'm like Bob Bondurant or something like that. I don't know anything about skateboards. I used to ride when I was little, but now I changed skateboards for hoverboards. Continue. That car is so pretty, oh my god. And there are some houses over here that are ready. Like, look at that one, the pool is so cool. Right everyone, so that is going to wrap up our video for today. Now I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We saw lots of cool cars like the Cayman GTS, brand new Audi R8 V10 Plus. We saw Aston Martin, Mustang, Shelby, and better than all of that, we saw more than 50 Ferraris in just one day. So it's pretty crazy, the car events that we went. I really hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. We just reached 4,000 views, which that is awesome. Thank you guys so much. Let's keep growing, and I hope you guys stay well. Leave a comment below if you have any doubts, and I'll see you guys in the next video.